Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherlyn. Welcome to Sherlyn on Food Etc. Today we are going to make some Dutch babies, or we can call it German pancakes. So let's go check out our ingredients. So we are going to need half a cup of all-purpose flour, 3 large eggs in room temperature, 2/3 cup of milk, room temperature, 3 tablespoons butter, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon salt, and powdered sugar. So let's start by preheating our oven at 425 degrees. Once the oven is preheated, put your iron skillet inside the oven. Next, we can go ahead and beat our 3 eggs. Whisk it well. Then add 2/3 cup milk. Whisk it again. Then we can go ahead and add our flour. Whisk it well until smooth. Then let's add in our salt and cinnamon powder and mix it really well. Now let's take out our preheated iron skillet from the oven. Then put our 3 tablespoons of butter and put it back inside the oven. Now let's wait until the butter is fully melted. Now once the butter is melted, let's take it out from the oven and we can add our German pancake mix. Then we can put this back inside the oven. Let's turn on our timer to 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, you can take out your skillet and check out your Dutch babies looking nice and floppy. It's so pretty and looks delicious. So don't worry, we're not gonna stop into this. We are going to take a slice, put it in a plate, and add more yumminess into it, and it's gonna be more delicious. First, we're going to generously dust it with icing sugar. Then top it with your favorite fruit or preferred fruit for the pancake. Dust some more icing sugar on top. Then drizzle it with some chocolate syrup. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and press notification bell. Thank you.